What is up, YouTube? We back again with another banger, another video. You already know what to do. But yeah, man, basically, guys, we back again. It's a Monday today. We're ready to get at it. You know, we're ready to get at it. Not gonna lie. Today was a bit chilled, and then it got a bit busy. So I was busy with my group. We have to design an Arduino that basically it's like a motion detector, a motion detector. So when you walk into a room, it switches on, stuff like that, and a current overload sensor also. Yeah, different stuff, man. But yeah, you watching here are not here for all that, you're here for the trading. But yeah, basically, let me just post up the current position of the yeah, so as you guys saw there, or as you guys are seeing now, we're currently floating in profit. I'm about to set my stop losses and take profit. I've set my take profits. I have this thing, right? I don't know if it's just me, but I like to basically set my stop loss with my eyes. Like my eyes are the stop loss. Like we monitoring the trade, like we checking at it, So yeah. But I think I'm just gonna set an official stop loss and an official TP, and yeah, let the market do its thing. I think we're risking how many? If $55 is 1.1%, shoot 100 is at around 2%. Yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna be risking 2%. I know a lot of guys on funded accounts on prop firms. I know a lot of them like to risk like 2%. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be risking 2%. But yeah, I'm gonna have to start to set my take profits and stop losses because now we're in drawdown. It's retracing on us, but yeah, I'm confident in the setup. I don't know if I should be, but I am. But yeah, guys, basically now I've shifted bias. I don't think we're gonna go above the highs before we go and sweep out the resting liquidity from Friday, because I think it's that thing of, my entry today is more sentimental than technical. So that's not a good thing. That's not a good thing. That scares me too. But yeah, we'll just see how the trade goes, man. But if push comes to shove, we are risking about like 2%. Forgive me earlier on for saying I don't think I'm risking 2%, but I am risking 2% today on this trade. If it doesn't go right, push comes to shove, the things. But yeah, let's just hope it's a winner so that we can keep it going. Let's go. Bro, what in the holy TP edge was that? What? Bro, I was up like what? I think I was up 90 something dollars, close to 100. Next thing I know it, I'm out for like $70. Bro, what the hell? Yo. Do we take it? Do we try to re-enter? I don't know. Feels like overtrading, honestly, at this point. Damn. What the hell, bro? And it's gonna go to my TP, I'm sure. Yo. What is up, YouTube? We back. After 5 trades, we back again. But yeah, basically just ended the trade now. Let me just show you guys now. Yeah, just ended off the trade now. Trading session, we done. I'm not gonna try go in again. Basically today, I made over 2%, right? I made just over 2%, which is like $100 and something. But because I had lost $60 something, so yeah, I had to cover up there. But basically, Yeah, I lost 67, I think $67. Yeah, over two setups, which I thought the buying action that's happening now. So I went in early on it. Wow, I went in early on it, so I got stopped out. It's cool. And then now I saw that, oh, okay, maybe cells. Let's hop in the cells. Hopped in those cells. And then I think till when? I moved my stop into profits, right? But it was minimal profit. It was minimal profit. So the trade itself, in total, I had made over 2%, 100 and something. But then because of that retracement, which was so quick, I couldn't even stop it. Like, it went straight to my stop loss that was in profit. But yeah, at least we didn't lose money then. And then I went in now with one more position for a profit of $42, I think. I'm not sure. But yeah, in total, we made money today, guys. We'll take it. Let me just take you guys through what happened today and how we caught the two setups. Let's go. So yeah, basically we opened the 9:30, called this the opening bell, the 9:30 opening bell. So what we do, right, according to what Blasian calls his freedom model, which is what ACT may call like his Judas swing setup, right? So basically at 9:30, the opening bell, right? This is where the New York Stock Exchange market opens, and yeah, we're ready to get the things out of the gate. So see, at 9:30, it's basically that time where I know most of you guys watching this video have watched The Wolf of Wall Street. It's basically that time. It's that scene where the bell goes like, and then the guy is shouting, hey, let's go. I don't know, it's too late now to start thinking. Maybe I'll find the clip and post it up, but yeah. So at the opening bell, right? Opening bell, we formed this false move to the upside, right? Manipulating off of here. People that have put their buy positions off of here that have went long get stopped out because their stop losses are probably down here, right? So yeah, the Judas swing goes to manipulate. It goes to take out all the stops, right? But I'm looking at this going like, damn, if you look over on this side, right, there's lows that we can take, Sunday lows, I think. But yeah, so all in that while, I'm thinking we most probably are gonna go long, you know, because if you look at, I think this entry particularly was off of the lower time frames. I'm not quite sure, but yeah, the long, I got on the long early, so got stopped out there, right? Cool, we took the punch to the chin. So we see as we're heading lower, right? As we're heading lower, I'll try to delete some of these also, guys, so that you guys can see clearly. So as we're heading low, let me just show you guys. Yeah, so we leave this gap right here, right? So when we leave that gap, already I think I was already into the trade. I think at about 32 some. Which one was it actually? Yeah, I'll just fix up if it's not. So yeah, I go there, stop loss above there, above that candle, and we get taken out at about 22 something. Yeah, so right there. So basically I entered when it was trying to go up there, right? Got stopped out there because I didn't have an opportunity to, like, it TP edged me here, guys. If you'll see it, maybe I'll just link the clip. My take profit was at 16 something. Look at where this thing reverses, bro. Just look at that. Damn. Cool. We're going up on the 1 minute. We leave this right here. So let's just scale down to the 1 minute. This is where I was looking for my ideal entry, actually. So I see that, oh, okay, cool. We left this imbalance over here. We didn't even feel it in, you know? Let me just delete this. so I can show you guys. Cool. So I see, oh damn, like we actually didn't, we actually didn't go back into this, right there. So my ideal entry, if I'm being totally honest, right, would have been, so as I'm looking at this, right, I'm looking, oh, okay, so we close here. I'm thinking, oh, breaker. So we're gonna continue lower, it's gonna hit this there and continue lower. But then I also draw this out to check what it does. And the bodies respect the upper quadrant of this fair value gap. So I'm like, damn, okay, cool. We go again. So if you look right here, this is where I actually wanted to go in for my buys, but it left too quick. So I was watching this close, right? I was watching this candlestick close on this fair value gap. I was like, dang, okay, we're respecting the 50%, which is the upper quadrant. The bodies are closing at the upper quadrant. I'm like, yo, we're definitely bullish. Cool, we go. So this was an inversion, 5-minute inversion, I believe. Something like that. Okay, no, I'm not so sure anymore. Let me just go ahead and delete that. Cool. So this right here, this line, right? This line, if I were to stretch it all the way that side, it goes to the opening bell, right? So I'm looking, we tag the opening bell line like that, and then we go up again. I'm like, damn, we're definitely bullish. Okay, so I wait for, because now we're following our rules, guys. So I basically looked for a PD array to take a long off of, and then luckily enough we get this fair value gap, and we just tag inside of it like that. So as soon as we close, I enter my short, I enter my longs, stop loss below the lowermost quadrant of the fair value gap, and then yeah, we aim for basically 4360 something. That was full TP, but yeah, we get stopped out there for 50% of the position. Not the best of days, but honestly, man, you know what they say, man. It's not easy being a consistent and profitable trader. Like, being a profitable trader is hard. I'm not a profitable trader, but I can already see it from today, following my rules, sitting on my hands, seeing a setup play out. But I mean, it's just like with NFP. I want to show you guys something with NFP, right? I marked out this hourly fair value gap. It hit straight there and went out. I swear, let me show you. But yeah, for those that want to stick for that, I'll just put it at the end. But yeah, all the other people, thank you for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. And yeah, let's get it to 50 subscribers at least, guys. From 50 we're going for 100, from 100 we're going for 1,000, man. 1,000 to 10k, we're going at it. But yeah, thank you for watching, and stay tuned tomorrow if we trade. If not, Wednesday. If not, Thursday. If not, Friday. Let's go. Look at where this thing went. And I won't lie, I was looking at it, contemplating if I should enter when it was still somewhere around here, right? Contemplating. I didn't enter. I'm telling you, at 9:30, this thing just dropped. Like, it legit just went there quick. Like this, let me show you guys, right? It legit just went vroom, inside of it, and whew, just like that. Like, I was watching it go. I think, if I'm being honest, if I remember properly, it was something like that, and then boom. I was like, no way. I'm not gonna enter all the way here. No way, bro. So yeah, let it be. And then yeah, went all the way there, man. So when they say price is not random, guys. As much as they say NFP, it's more fundamental, it's more fundamental than anything, than technicals. But explain this to me, man. Explain this to me. I swear, like, even if the more I go to a lower time frame, the more it's even gonna hit at this 50%. And look, this is an order block, so it hits the order block to the T and goes. So yeah. But anyway, I'm not trading NFP, especially not on these fundeds, man. Especially not on these fundeds. But yeah, we will get that payout, man. I hope you guys had profitable days too. I hope you guys are in the blues too. And yeah, let's go again.